Keep me subscribed to see new videos like this in the future. Also, like the video and share it with others.
The Sony Ericsson T630, released in 2004, is a notable device in the history of mobile phones. As a successor to the popular T610, the T630 built upon its predecessor's success with a more refined design and improved features, making it a favorite among mobile phone users of its time. Design and build. The T630 featured a sleek and modern design, with a glossy finish that was available in black and white variants. It had a compact and lightweight build, measuring 102 by 43 by 17 mm and weighing just 92 grams, making it easy to carry and handle. The phone's aesthetic appeal was complemented by a 1.8-inch TFT display that supported 65K colors and had a resolution of 128 by 160 pixels. This provided users with a bright and vibrant viewing experience, which was impressive for its time. Features. The Sony Ericsson T630 was packed with features that were advanced for 2004. Camera. It included a VGA camera with a resolution of 0.3 megapixels, allowing users to capture photos on the go. This feature was still relatively new and exciting for mobile phones at that time. Connectivity. The T630 supported both Bluetooth and infrared, enabling wireless data transfer between compatible devices. This was particularly useful for sharing photos, contacts, and other data. Messaging. It offered comprehensive messaging capabilities, including SMS, MMS, and email, making it versatile for different types of communication. Media. The phone had a built-in media player for music playback and supported Java games and applications, providing entertainment options for users. Memory. Like the T610, the T630 came with 2 MB of internal memory, which was sufficient for storing essential data such as contacts, messages, and a modest number of photos. Software and user interface. The T630 ran on a proprietary Sony Ericsson operating system, featuring a user-friendly interface with customizable themes and wallpapers. It supported Java MIDP 2.0, allowing users to download and install a variety of applications and games. The interface was intuitive and easy to navigate, contributing to a positive user experience. Reception and legacy. Upon its release, the Sony Ericsson T630 was well received by both consumers and critics. It was praised for its stylish design, robust build, and innovative features. The T630 helped solidify Sony Ericsson's reputation as a leading mobile phone manufacturer during the early 2000s. Conclusion. The Sony Ericsson T630 remains a memorable device in the history of mobile phones. Its blend of stylish design, advanced features, and user-friendly interface set a high standard for mobile devices at the time. Today, it is remembered fondly as a classic phone that exemplified the innovation and design excellence of its era.